This is a used 2013 Ford F-150. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated rear seats, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, memory seats, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain-sensing wipers, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.